Okay. If UML doesn't show, it means you may be missing a graphViz library. So in this video, we are going to install graphViz, okay? So first go to graphviz.org. graphviz.org, download page, and download the latest installer or zip archive. Anything's fine. I'll try the exe installer. Install it in my Dropbox. And then click to install. Run anyway. Okay. So we have a graphviz install. Next. I agree. I want to add to the system part for our users. And I better delete my existing one. I have an existing graphviz in my part. Here, I want to remove it first. Let's delete it. Alright, so the new installation can add its own part. Okay. Add for users. Next. Then what can I do? I think I will change the location to download strategy to Dropbox, and then I already have a graphviz folder, the 2 version. I'll pick this one. This version. Alright. They already have the one I attempted earlier. So the folder remains there. Just overwrite what's inside. Start menu folder. Okay. Fine. Finish the installation. So let's check the path variable. Yeah. Okay. So it's added. Alright.